But why are you touching me here? Hello, fine girl. What's up?
I'm fine.
How are you?
Fine.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Treasure.
Sergio. Okay, will you be my treasure? Okay, can we play a game?
Okay.
If you can make me laugh for 1 minute, then this one is yours. But the money is yours. If you can make me laugh for 1 minute. Are you in?
Yes.
Start.
You laugh.
But why are you touching me here?
It's so make you laugh now.
I bet.
Oh, thank
Show it to the
you.
camera.